Hello guys from my street Iacopelli. Today it's super interesting. I just come here to my favorite pizzeria and look what I find. I find a pizza chef from Naples, which is my friend, and another pizza chef which is the pizza chef from Nardo. Come with me. They are shooting a video. Let's wait a little bit. And here we have Pepe from La Guida a Napoli.
Il mio viaggio a Napoli. My trip to Naples.
In English.
My trip in Naples is a Facebook page with 1 million followers.
On Facebook.
Yeah, on Facebook.
Hold on right there.
Yeah.
And then we have Vincenzo Capuano, one of the best pizza chef in Naples. Vincenzo is the pizza chef with you're gonna see now. And then we have Antonio. Antonio, say hi to the camera. I have a huge idea today. I'm gonna go ahead and compete 1 and 2. We're gonna create a pizza. Okay. So each of us, me, Vincenzo and Antonio, we're gonna create one pizza different from others, and you're gonna be the judge.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Okay.
Which one who makes the best pizza?
Yeah, perfect.
So let's go ahead. Let's start with Antonio, is the house guy, and then Vincenzo, and then me. And then we'll see who's gonna win. Ready?
Vai.
Here we go. First pizza's out.
Aspetta.
Not done yet. Not done yet. Here we go with the ricotta. Now is Vincenzo's turn. Let's go.
Antonio number 1. But now, Antonio.
And now it's my turn, guys. Thank you so much. My secret ingredient. Ready? Get the dough. Super soft. And let's go in the oven. Okay, guys, it's time to get our pizzas and go ahead and take it. Let's go. Here. Let's go, the judges. Okay. Vai.
Okay, allora, my wife love meatballs, so I think that you have to try this because you love this. So try this. More, I love the ricotta, so I try this for first, and after I try this. Okay. So
Right.
this is with the mozzarella, right?
Yes.
Perfect.
Cooked mortadella.
Who make this?
Me.
You?
Yeah.
Okay, try. Try.
Oh.
Okay, now we have to toast it. This is the last pizza with the mushroom and maybe sausage.
Yes.
Perfect.
That's Vincenzo.
Vincenzo Capuano?
Yes.
I don't like it. No, okay, try it. Let me see. Wow. Okay. I have to think about it.
Okay, think. What about her?
With this, I feel like I am in Naples.
Antonio.
Because she lives in Naples, so she's born in Naples. So, ok, so allora la classifica, ok? First place, dice third.
Yes, third.
First place, this.
No!
For me, for you. No. Okay. The second place, it's a very hard decision because I love this, and so I think that is half and half, okay?
Right,
Half
which
and
one
half.
is the winner?
The winner, I don't know, this.
This.
No,
Vincenzo
for
is
me
winning
this
for
is
you.
the win.
Okay, the meatballs, of course. Thank you so much, guys.
you.
Thank you. Sorry. Come with me. Vieni. We have the winner here. We have the winner here. For the la tua guida Napoli. So from il mio viaggio a Napoli and the wife, the winner is Vincenzo. Of course. Guys, you got one of the best pizzeria in Naples for real. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you the next. Oh, Antonio, where are you? Come here, Antonio. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.
Ciao!